Every day, I reveal exclusive, insider-only product intel. Subscribe to effortlessly make your hard-earned money count. Most cordless units are just glorified dumpsters that struggle with a single pebble, but this unit completely ignores that stereotype. Field data reveals a startling trend. The 16,000 pascals of suction isn't a marketing bluff. It actually pulls embedded gravel from thick floor mats. This power feels deliberate, almost aggressive against stubborn grit. The narrative shifts when you swap attachments, because it doubles as a blower. Signals indicated blasts dust out of air vents, forcing grime into the open where the nozzle finally grabs it. You get roughly 45 minutes of runtime, enough to detail a full sedan without rushing. It creates a satisfying loop where cleaning feels less like a chore and more like a tactical operation. Verdict: this is the ultimate tool for the detail-obsessed driver who wants shop vac results without the cord.